Hello kids! Today we are going to learn how to write our letters from A to Z. Sit up straight, hold your pencil gently and let's have fun. Are you ready? Letter A. A is for apple. Start at the top, slant down to the left, go back to the top, slant down to the right. Now draw a short line across the middle. Great! Letter B. B is for ball. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, go back to the top, make a big curve, make another curve at the bottom. You made a B. Letter C. C is for cat. Start at the top, curve around like a big smile. Stop at the bottom. Nice and easy. Letter D. D is for dog. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, go back to the top and make a big curve to the bottom. Well done. Letter E. E is for elephant. Draw a straight line down. Now draw a line at the top. Draw a short line in the middle. Draw another line at the bottom. Excellent. Letter F. F is for fish. Draw a straight line down. Draw a line at the top. Draw a shorter line in the middle. Good work. Letter G. G is for God. Make a big C shape. Now add a short line inside. You did it. Letter H. H is for head. Draw a straight line down. Draw another straight line down. Connect them with a line in the middle. Awesome! Letter I. I is for ice cream. Draw a straight line down. That's it. Simple and sweet. Letter J. J is for juice. Start at the top, draw a line down and curve at the bottom. Nice curve. Letter K. K is for kite. Draw a straight line down. From the middle, slant up. From the middle, slant down. Great job. Letter L. L is for lion. Draw a straight line down. Now draw a line across the bottom. You did it. Letter M. M is for monkey. Start at the top, go down, go up and down again. One more up and down. Fantastic. Letter N. N is for nest. Draw a straight line down, go up and slant down. Draw another straight line up. Nice work. Letter O. O is for orange. Make a big circle. Perfect. O. Great. Next is letter P. P is for parrot. Draw a straight line down. Go back to the top and make a small curve. Well done. Letter Q. Q is for queen. Draw a big O. Now add a little line at the bottom. Beautiful. Next is letter R. R is for rabbit. Draw a straight line down. Make a small curve at the top. Add a slanted line down. Great job. Letter S. S is for sun. Start at the top. Curve around like a snake. Great. Letter T. T is for tree. Draw a straight line down. Draw a line across the top. Yes, tall and strong. Next is letter U. U is for umbrella. Start at the top, go down, curve around and come back up. Next is letter V. V is for van. Slant down, slant up. Sharp and neat. Great. Letter W. W is for whale. Slant down, slant up, slant down again, slant up again. Wonderful. Letter X. X is for X-ray. Draw a slanted line. Now cross it with another slanted line. Nice crossing. Next is letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Draw a slanted line down. Draw another slanted line down. Letter Z. Z is for zebra. Draw a line across the top, slant down, draw a line across the bottom. You did it! Great job, kids! You wrote all your letters from A to Z. Practice every day and keep having fun.